Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to get Canva Pro using your student email. Canva Pro unlocks a world of creative possibilities, offering premium features like the brand kit, 100 million stock photos, and thousands of exclusive templates. The good news is that students and educators at eligible institutions can access Canva for Education, which provides all these powerful Canva Pro features completely free. It's a fantastic resource for academic and personal projects. To begin, navigate to the Canva for Education website. Here, you will find the application portal where you can start the verification process. You'll need to provide proof of your student enrollment. This typically includes documents like a valid student ID card, an official transcript, or an enrollment letter from your educational institution. Just make sure your chosen document clearly displays your name, the institution's name, and your current academic status. Once you have your document ready, upload it directly to the application portal. Then, carefully fill out the application form with all your personal and institutional details, ensuring everything is accurate. After submission, the verification process typically takes about 1 to 2 business days. You'll receive an email notification regarding the status of your application, so keep an eye on your inbox for updates on your Canva for Education access. Congratulations! Once approved, you can immediately start enjoying all the incredible features of Canva Pro. This includes access to millions of premium images, videos, and audio tracks, along with advanced design tools like the background remover and magic resize. You can also collaborate seamlessly with classmates on group projects, making teamwork a breeze. Unleash your creativity and produce stunning presentations, reports, and social media content effortlessly with your new account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.